Welcome to this channel. You are highly welcome. We are looking at the continuations of the series of algebra and functions, and then we are taking factors and remainder theorem. We're taking questions. Okay, the foundations have been laid, so we're going to be looking at that series of questions. Okay, and then we end the topic. Go straight to the solution of this question. We have h of x equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus rx plus x, given that h of minus 1 is 0 and h of 2 is 30. Find the values of r and x. B. Find the remainder when h of x is divided by 3x. What we have is a polynomial. Okay, if p is a polynomial. Okay, if p is a polynomial, and we have p of a equal to 0. If p is a polynomial, okay, and p of a equal to 0, then therefore x minus a is a factor. X minus a is a factor. Okay, we can go further and say if also p of x is also a polynomial. Okay, and p of a over b is 0. Okay, or let me say b over a is 0. Therefore, it implies ax minus b is a factor. On the remainder theorem, for remainder theorem, if polynomial, if this is a p of x is a polynomial and is divided by x minus a, okay, the remainder will be equal to, equate this one to 0, and that will give you x equal to a. Okay, so anywhere you see your x, you make substitution, replacements by what? So that will be p of a. So whatever you get is what we call the remainder for that function. Okay, so that's that. The question we have here, we are given h of x. We're given h of x as s cubed plus 4x squared plus r. We have this function for our polynomial. Then we are told that h of minus 1. H of minus 1 means wherever you see your x function, you make substitutions for that. X will be equal to minus 1. Okay, put it in that equation. You have this plus 4 times minus 1 squared, and then you have this one also. That will be minus r, and then plus what? Plus x. And we are told h of minus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. So that will be equal to minus 1 plus 4 minus r plus x equal to 0. And this will be equal to 3 minus this plus this. So we can move this 3 to the other side, or we can leave this 3 here. 3 equal to, move the minus r to the other side, and that will be equal to what? Call this one equation 1. Okay, shift the minus r to the other side. shift the x to the other side. Okay, equation 1. The other one, h of 2 is 30. H of 2 is 30. Do the same thing also. Do your substitution. H of 2. Wherever you see x, you plug in 2. That will be 2 to the power 3 plus 4 times 2 squared plus 2r and then plus x. Let's solve from share the links across your different. H of 2 is 30, so we have 30 equal to 2 to the power 3, that's 8, and then 2 squared, that's 4. 4 times 4, that's 16. That's 16 plus 2 r and then plus x. So combine these two together. So that will be equal to what? 24 plus this. Okay. Then you can move this 24 to the other side. So I have 6 equal to 2r plus what? Plus x. Call it equation 2. And then now solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Solve it simultaneously. The first equation is this. We have this equal to this one. And then we have the second equation as this one, 2r plus what? Plus x. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. The coefficient of x here is minus 1, and in this place is plus 1. So I can add equation 1 plus 2. I can add equation 1 plus 2 together. 3 plus 6, that's 9. This one plus this one, that's 3r. Minus r plus minus x plus x, that's 0. So r is equal to what? R is equal to 3. Okay, that's 9 over 3. So once you've gotten your r, then you can make substitutions either to equation 1 or equation 2 and get the value of your x. Okay, let's use the equation 1. My equation 1 is this. 3 equal to what? R minus x. Make a substitution. So that's 3 equal to 3 minus this. Okay, so I can move this minus x to the other side. So that will be x equal to what? 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Okay. So that's what? That's x is 0. So that's that for that case. That's that for that case. Okay. As you're coming in, just begin to say I. As you're coming in, just begin to say I. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Then the next thing to do now is to now do the B part. We've gotten the constant, the two constants, the two unknown. Okay, we are trying to find the remainder when h of x is divided by what? 3x minus 1. So the first thing you're going to do is to substitute, make this expression to be equal to 0. So x is what? X is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, then it will now become h of 1 over 3. Okay, go back to the functions. Okay, we are looking for this. Our h of x will be equal to, so that's what I have in this case. That's what I have in this case. So h of 1 over 3. Anywhere you see your x, you place 1 over 3 there. Anywhere you see your x, you place you substitute 1 over 3 in place of x. And that would be 1 over 3 cube plus 4 times 1 over 3 square plus 3 times 1 over 3. Okay, So this one will be equal to what? 1 over 27 plus this will be 1 over this is 1 over 9. So that's 4 over 9. And then plus this one will be 1 plus 1. Okay. So we can make this one and this one to have the same denominator by using equivalent of fraction. So that will be equal to, combine these two together. So we're going to have 1 plus 12 over 27, and that's what? 13 over 27, and then plus what? Plus 1. Okay, and that will give me 13 plus 27 over what? Over 27, and that's equal to 40 over 27 for the remainder of that function. Okay, so in a nutshell, what I do in that question is to just plug in this one. That's the factor equating to 0. We got 1 over 3, and plug in 1 over 3 to that expression. So whatever you get, that will be your what? That will be your remainder. Okay, so when you are here, you can use your calculator straight away and get the value. Okay, welcome once again. We're just coming in. If you're fresh on the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Begin to like, share, and subscribe. Give the videos a thumbs up. Okay, give the videos a thumbs up. Begin to like, share, and subscribe. Questions still continue. Questions still continue. Questions still continue. As you're coming in, just begin to say I. As you're coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Invite your friends to join. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Yeah, the second question, we have g of x equal to 2x cubed plus 9x minus 6x minus 5. Okay, we are trying to factorize completely. Okay, we're trying to factorize completely. As they are coming in, just begin to say as they are coming in, just begin to say I. Okay, when you have a polynomial and you want to factorize that completely, what you're going to do is to look for the factors of 5 of the constant number. Okay, look for the factor. The factor could be plus or minus 1, could be plus or minus 2. Okay, could be plus the factor of 5 and 1. Okay, 5 and 1, plus or minus 2 is not a factor, plus or minus 1, and then plus or minus 5. So these are the factors. So let's take this smallest one and use it to substitute. This is g of x equal to this. Okay, so what we are going to do, if you take g of minus 1, let's see if it's going to give us 0. It's going to give us 0. If you do that, you're going to have minus 2 here, plus 9, plus 6, minus 5. Okay, and this is not equal to what? This is not equal to 0. Let's take the plus 1, g of 1, that will be 2 plus 9, minus 6, minus 5. This 2 is minus 11. This 2 is a plus 11. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 0. Okay, if this is equal to 0, according to Factor Theorem, Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. Okay? Don't forget what I said from the factor theorem, that we have a polynomial, okay, and p of a is equal to 0. Okay, therefore x minus a is a factor. Okay, so that's what we have done in that case. Once we've gotten one of the factors, then we can use polynomial long division to continue the process, and that will be equal to this one, x minus 1, 2x cubed plus 9x squared minus 6x minus 5. Okay, so you take the first one of the polynomial 2x cubed over the first one of the divisor, and that will give you 2x squared when you divide these two together. Okay, then use it to multiply your x minus 1. 2x squared times x, that's a 2x cubed. 2x squared times minus 1, that's a minus 2x squared. Then do your subtraction. So that will be 9 minus 2, that's a plus 11x squared. Then you bring this one down, so you have minus 6x. The first one also use it plus 11x squared over the first one here. So that will be plus 11x. Plus 11x times x, that's this one, 11x squared. And then plus 11x times minus 1, that's minus 11x. Do your subtraction. Okay, this minus this, that's 0. Minus 6, minus 11. So that'll be minus 6 plus 11. And that's a plus 5. Okay, the next one, take it down. That's minus 5. Repeat the process. This one over the first one here, that's a plus 5. 5 times x, that's a plus 5x. 5 times minus 1, that's minus 5. So automatically, you must have, when you do your subtraction, you must have remainder as 0. And that confirms your x minus 1. That also confirms your x minus 1 is what? Is a factor. Is a factor. Then the next thing to do is your g of x now. This expression is now broken into two segments. Is now equal to x minus 1 times the quotient, this one, 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. Okay, so when you multiply these two together, you will have your g of x. Okay, so that's what we have there. Then the next thing to do is to look at this quadratic expression, okay, and factorize that. Factorize your quadratic expression. Okay, let's do that. 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. This one times this one, that's a 10x squared. I mean 2x squared times 5 times a plus 5, we have this. Two factors of 10x squared that can generate a plus 11x. That will be 10 and 1. That will be plus 10 plus 1. So your x squared, pair that, 1 here, 1 here. Okay? Then you can now have now 2x squared. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. So what we are going to do now, we are going to replace the middle one by 10 and 1. So we have 2x squared plus 10x plus x, which is the 1x. But there's nothing like 1x, so that's x, and then plus 5. Pair these first two Here these first two. 2 goes there, 2x goes, it's common, we have this plus 5. These last two, one is common, we have x plus 5. This one must be the same. Take one of that, x plus 5 and 2x plus 1. So the final conclusion will be x minus 1 times what? Times x plus 5, and then times what? 2x plus 1. And that's that on that question on factorize completely. Factorize completely. For those that are just coming, okay, that are just coming in, let's look at the recap. This is the question we have. We are told to factorize completely. We have the polynomial of degree 3 of power 3. Okay. What we need to do in order to factorize completely is to look at the constant number here, okay, and look for the factor, look for the smallest factor, okay. We know that plus or minus is the factors of 5, and 5 itself is 5 also is also a factors of 5. So let's pick the smallest one. Do your experiment. Test for a minus 1. Does it go to 0? G of minus 1, put it in the function, okay. So does not equal to 0. So we cannot take minus 1 as a root. Then go to 1 also, the plus 1, do your substitution, and we're able to make conclusion is equal to 0. Okay, and that confirms that this one as a root will give you x minus 1 as a factor. Okay, and now I take us back to factor theorem, that if p of x is a polynomial, okay, as a function of x, and p of a is equal to 0, then it implies that x minus a is a factor. Okay, once you've gotten one of the factors, then you can use a polynomial long division to get the so as to be able to get the other factors. Okay, and when you do the polynomial long division, it's going to reduce the power 3 to power 2. It's going to turn it to quadratic expression. Then you can do your factorization. Okay, so that's how we do the polynomial long division. Okay, and you can see that in this place, and then we're able to get the quotient, which is 2x squared plus 11x plus 5, and that's quadratic. So factorize that, and before you do that, your function now, your g of x is this, is equivalent to your x minus 1 times the quotient. If you multiply these two together, it's going to give you your question. Okay, then the quotient is a quadratic expression. Factorize that, then you get x plus 5 times 2x plus 1, and then times your x minus 1. And that's how we do the factorization completely. Okay, if you are new on the channel, what are you waiting for? Begin to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so that you can keep track of the updates of this channel. And in this particular live section, you can also interact with me. If you have your own question, put it in the comment section. We're going to look at it and solve the questions and respond to those questions. Welcome once again. So coming in, just say I. Okay, questions to continue on remainder theorem and factor theorem. Let's see another questions. Let's see another question. As you're coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. Share the links, give the videos a thumbs up. Give the videos a thumbs up. Share the links. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Begin to share now. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Give the videos a thumbs up. Call your friends to join us. We are live. Okay. Begin to share the links on different platforms. share the links of this video. Share the links, give the videos a thumbs. Yeah, we have this question given that x minus 1 and x plus 1 are factors of ps cube plus qx squared minus 3x minus 7. Find the values of p and q. Find the values of p and q. As you're watching, begin to give the videos a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, across a different platform. You're welcome once again. Say hi as you're coming in. Begin to share, like, and subscribe. Let's go straight to the solution to this question. We've been told that x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, the function, let's call it f of x is a function of x. So this is what we have. Okay, then for x minus 1, okay, equate that to 0, and that will be what? X will be equal to 1. Okay, x will be equal to 1. And make substitution. Anywhere you see x, place 1 there. And that will be equal to what? P plus q minus 3 minus 7. Okay, and that will be equal to since it's a factor theorem, f of 1 will be equal to what? Will be equal to 0. Okay, f of 1 will be equal to 0. F of 1 will be equal to 0. F of 1 will be equal to 0. Then the second one, for x plus 1, do the same thing also. Equate that to 0. So x will be equal to what? Minus 1. So we're going to have f of minus 1 and substitute that into the given polynomial expression. And that will be equal to what? Minus p plus q plus 3. This will be 3 minus 3 times minus 1. That's plus 3 minus 7 equal to 0. Okay. And don't forget what we said from the intro, that if polynomial, okay, p of x, for example, is a polynomial, okay, and is divided by x minus a, okay, the remainder will be what? Will be 0. Okay, or let's say p of x is a polynomial, then f of a will be equal to 0. f of a is equal to 0. That is, x minus a is a factor. X minus a is a factor. If x minus a is a factor, then it implies what? X is equal to what? A. So anywhere you see your x, you place a there. So f of a will be equal to 0. So the remainder is what? Is 0. Okay? So if you substitute this one there, x is equal to 1 to the polynomial, it will be equal to 0. Okay? It will be equal to 0. And that's that on that. It will be equal to 0 from Factor Theorem. The second equation, we've gotten the two equations. The first one, p plus q, these two will be a minus 10, shift it to the other side. Equation 1. The second one, minus p plus q, minus 3 plus 4, plus 3 minus 7, that's minus 4. Shift it to the other side, making what? 4. Then equation 2, can you add equation 1 plus 2? If you add 1 plus 2, p, this one plus this one we cancel. We have a 2q equal to 14. So q is what? 7. Make your substitution to any of the three equations. Make a substitution to any of the three equations. Let's use the first equation, p plus q equal to what? 10. And that will be p plus 7 equal to 10. So p is equal to what? P is equal to 3. P is equal to 3 in that case. P is equal to 3 in that case. So, and that's that on finding the values of p and q. Okay, so let's quickly recap for those that are just coming in. If you are new, please subscribe. Begin to like, share, and subscribe. Give the videos a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, give the videos a thumbs up. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links. Call your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Share the links across your different platform. 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 Give the videos a thumbs up. Subscribe now if you are yet to do so. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Subscribe to the channel. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Begin to share the links. Share now. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Share the links. Share. There is love in sharing. Call your friends to join the live section. Call your friends to join the live section. What happened with this question is that we have two factors of the polynomial. Okay, and a polynomial is this expression, and we are trying to find the p and q. For those that are just coming in, you are welcome. You are in the right place at the right time. Okay, so what we are going to do, write the functions, make it f of x. Okay, and then if this is a factor, it implies that what? You're going to solve this linear equation equal to 0, then x is equal to what? 1. Then you now come to this polynomial and substitute for what? For x as 1. You get this expression equal to what? Equal to 0. Because if this is a factor, then it must be equal to 0 when you substitute. Okay? If that is a factor, then f of 1 must be equal to what? Must be equal to 0. If f plus 1 is a factor, it implies that what? F of minus 1 must also be equal to what? 0. And make your substitution in that polynomial. And we're able to get this first equation from f of 1. From f of minus 1, we are able to get this one, okay, which is giving us minus p plus q equal to 4. Okay, then solve the two equations by adding them together. We get 2q equal to 14 and q is 7. And once you get one of the unknown, then you can make substitutions to any of the two equations and get the other unknown. So that's that on that question. Let's take another questions. You're welcome once again. You're going to share the links of this video across your different platform. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Share. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. We have the question, the remainder obtained when x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 6 is divided by x plus 2 is equal to the remainder obtained when the same expression is divided by x minus 3. Find the values of p. Find the values of p. So that's what we have in that question. So what do we do in this case? We are told that the polynomial, we can call it p of x as this expression. So that's the polynomial. When it's divided by x plus 2, the remainder is what? The remainder is obtained. Okay, so what we're going to do for x plus 2, that will be p of minus 2. Okay, equal to what? Equal to remainder. Okay. Is that clear? Let's solve that one first. P of minus 2. Come to this expression, make a substitution. That minus 2 to power 3 minus 2 times minus 2 squared plus 2 times minus 2 and then plus 6 equal to what? Your remainder, which we don't know. So this will be minus 8. This will be minus 2 squared, that's 4. That's minus 20. Plus 2 minus 2, that's minus 4. Plus 6 equal to what? Equal to r. So we're going to have minus 8 minus 20, that's minus 28, minus 4, minus 32, plus 6 equal to what? Equal to r. Okay? And that will give us minus 26 equal to what? Equal to r. Let's repeat that again for those that are just coming in. We have the polynomial. Okay, when it's divided by x plus 2, okay, it's equal to remainder. Okay, let's solve that one first. And that x plus 2, okay, according to remainder theorem, that will be solve this linear equation, the root of this expression with minus 2. Make substitution for that, okay, which is this is x cubed, minus 2 to the power 3, that's minus 8, minus 5 times x squared, that's this will be 4, this will be 4 times minus 5, that's minus 20, this will be minus 4 plus 6, okay. Then we can combine, that's minus 28 minus 32 plus 6, that's minus 26. We are told it's equal to what? Remainder. Another thing they said again, that when the same expression p of x cubed minus 5x plus 2x, okay, plus 6, when it's divided by x minus 3, so that will be p of 3, okay. When you do the substitution, they say it has the same expression, the same value as what? As the remainder of the previous one, okay. So that will be what? This will be equal to p of 3, that will be 3 cubed minus 5 times 3, 3 squared. This is 5x squared plus 2 times 3 plus 6, okay, equal to what? Equal to the same remainder you get in the previous expression. And that will be 27 minus 3 squared is 9, minus 45, okay, plus 6, okay. So this will be equal to 45 minus 27, that's 8, that's minus 18, plus 12, 6 plus 6, that's 12, okay, and that's giving us minus 6, that's giving us minus 6. Sorry, we're going to look at that question again. Something is missing here, because we're trying to find the value of p. Sorry for that. Something is missing in that questions. Let's correct that. Sorry, this is a p of x, not this place is a p of x. Okay. So that's what we have there. Let's make correction to that. Okay. That's what we have there. Yeah, we have the question 4, the remainder obtained when this polynomial, okay, x cubed minus 5x squared plus px plus 6 is divided by x plus 2 is equal to the remainder obtained when the same expression is divided by x minus 3. Find the values of p. Okay, when it's divided by x plus 2, okay, don't forget, let's call the function f of x equal to this polynomial. Okay, equal to that polynomial. Then what we can do is to, according to the remainder theorem, If it's divided by this factor, then it's going to be what? F of minus 2 equal to what? Equal to there must be a remainder. Okay? F of minus 2 equal to remainder. Okay? Because what the remainder theorem says is that if a polynomial is divided by this linear factor, okay, the remainder will be equal to P of A. The remainder will be equal to P of A. So the same thing we do here. This is equal to 0. So we have x equal to A. And then anywhere we see x, we substitute for that. Okay, that's A in that polynomial expression. So this will now become s cubed, that's minus 2 cubed, minus 5 times minus 2 squared, that's a 4. P is minus 2, that's minus 2x, plus 6. Okay, and that will be equal to the remainder, which we don't know. So this will be minus 8. This will be minus 8, minus 20. I keep writing 2 here. This is a px. So that's a px. I don't know where I get my 2. So this is a p times a 2. P times minus 2. P times minus 2. That will be minus px. Okay. P times minus 2. X is that will be 2p minus 2p. Okay. That's a minus 2p. Okay. This place, that's minus 2, put it there. Then we can have plus 6 minus 2p equal to what? Equal to r. So that will be, we combine these two together, that will be minus 28. Okay, plus 6, that's minus 22 minus 2p equal to what? Equal to r. Okay, minus 22 minus 2p equal to r. So that's that on that. You can just note that equation. Then, when the same polynomial, this same expression, s cubed minus 5, s cubed minus 5x squared plus px plus 6, when it's divided by x minus 3, okay, x minus 3, so we're going to have f of 3 equal to what? Equal to, substitute that will be 3 cubed minus 5 times 3 squared plus, this is a px, which will be 2 times p, that's plus 2p plus 6 equal to what? R. Okay? And that will be equal to 27. This is 9 minus 45 plus 2p plus 6. Okay? So 45, 27, we have 18. 18, that's minus 18 plus 6. That's plus 6. That's minus 12 plus 2p equal to what? Equal to r. Okay? And this same r is the same, they have the same remainder. Okay? Just substitute. If I call this one equation 2, okay, I can equate the two equations together. I can equate equation 1 and 2 together. But this is equal to r. This is equal to what? R. Okay? Equate the two equations. And that will be minus 12 plus 2p equal to, anywhere you see r, you put your equation 1 there. That's 22 minus 2p. Okay, move this minus 2p to the other side. That'll be 4p equal to minus 22 plus 12. Okay, and that's minus 10. Okay, so p is equal to what? P is equal to minus 10 over 4, which is a minus 5 over 2. That's a P for that case. That's a P for that case. We're going to review that again. As you're coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. As you are coming in, just begin to say I. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platforms. Begin to share the links across your different platforms. Give the videos a thumbs up. Give the videos a thumbs up. Very important. Give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. 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 Share the links across your different platforms. 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 Share. Share the links. Give the videos a thumbs up. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platforms. Share the links. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Share the links of this video across your different platforms. Give the videos a thumbs up. Give the videos a thumbs up. Share. Share the links across your different platforms. Share the links across your different platforms. Subscribe to the channel. Say I as you're coming in. Say I as you are coming in. Say I as you are coming in. Subscribe to the channel. There's a little adjustment here. The P, we are making substitution for X, so I'm going to correct that. From here, so we have f of 3 equal to, from this x minus 3 as a factor, so we're going to have f of 3 equal to what? Equal to the remainder, okay? And that will be equal to 3 cubed, that's 27, minus 5 times 3 squared, plus 3p, plus 6. And that will be 27 minus that 45 plus that 3p plus 6 equal to r. So combine these two together. That's a minus 18 plus 6, minus 18 plus 6, which is a minus 12, and then plus 3 p equal to r. Call it equation 2, and equate the two equations together. Equate the two equations. Equate the two equations. So we have minus 32 minus 2p equal to minus 12 plus 3p. And then we can move this minus 2p to the other side. Then we have minus 22. Move this minus 12 to this place. That's a plus 12 equal to 3p plus the 2p, which is a 5p. And this one will give you minus 10 equal to 5p. So p is equal to what? P is equal to minus 2 for that place. So that's the value of that question. That's the value for that question. If you are new on the channel, you are yet to subscribe, please do so right now. Subscribe to the channel, share, like, and subscribe. You're going to share now and subscribe to the channel. You're going to share and subscribe to the channel. Begin to share and subscribe to the channel. Begin to share and subscribe to the channel. Begin to share and subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time, subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time, subscribe to the channel. Share the links. Yeah, begin to share the links. Give the videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Give the videos a thumbs up. Call your friends. Call your friends to join us for this live section. We're on Remainder Theorem and Factor Theorem. We're on Remainder Theorem and Factor Theorem. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Subscribe to the channel. That's one of the ways to support this channel. Want subscribers. I think we need subscribers. One chat on this live section. Spirit move now. In the name of Jesus, every covering be destroyed. In the name of Jesus, move on this. We have the remainder. The remainder obtained when x cubed plus dx squared minus 5x plus 6 is divided by minus 1 is twice the remainder obtained when the same expression is divided by x plus 1. Okay, find the values of d. So what we're going to do first is to let the polynomial, let's call it p of x. Let's call it polynomial p of x. Okay, so that's what we have. That's the polynomial. Okay, so what we're going to do, can we get the other one when it's divided by x plus 1? When it's divided by this factor, we're going to have the roots will be what? Minus 1. So we're going to have p of minus 1. Okay, p of minus 1 equal to remainder. Let's get that. Okay, and then that's one equation we have there. That's one. The first one for x minus 1, okay, it's going to be what? The roots in this case will be 1. So that would p of 1 equal to what? 2 times what? The remainder. So we are going to solve these two equations. Okay, p of minus 1 from this factor, x plus 1 equal to remainder. Okay, according to remainder theorem, x minus 1, we have this one equal to what? 2 times the remainder. So let's begin to make substitutions. Minus 1, we're going to have minus 1 cube plus d times minus 1 square minus 5 times minus 1 plus 6 equals what? R. It will be minus 1 plus d plus 5 plus 6 equals to this. So that's giving us, this is 11 minus 1. So we have d plus 10 equals to what? Equals to R. According to equation 1. Okay. The second one for p of 1. For p of 1, do the same thing also. That will be 1 cube plus this is a ds squared, not a cube. Okay. That will be d minus 5 times 1 plus 6 equals to what? 2r. So we're going to have 1. This is minus 5 plus 6, that's 1. That's a d plus 2 equal to what? 2r. Okay? And that will be equal to d plus 2 equal to 2 times equation 1. That's a d plus 10. And that will be d plus 2 equal to, open the brackets, and collect the like terms. If you collect like terms, we're going to have 2 minus 20 equals to 2d minus d. That's a minus 18 equal to what? Equal to d. So d is a minus 18. Okay, so that's what we have there. We're going to recap that for those that are just coming in. Okay, if you're fresh on the channel, please subscribe to the channel. like, share, and subscribe. And finally, give the videos a thumbs up. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for doing that. Begin to share the links across your different platform. 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 Subscribe to the channel. 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 Share the links across the different platform. Share the links across the different platform. Subscribe to the channel. Share the links across the different platform. Across the different platform. Give the videos a thumbs up. Give the videos a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. What we did in this case, for those that are just coming in, the remainder obtained when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1 is twice the remainder obtained when the same expression is divided by x plus 1. So what we did is that we call the polynomial p of x. And then for x plus 1, we get the root of that, which is minus 1. So anywhere you see x, you place minus 1 there. So that becomes p of minus 1 equal to remainder. Okay, according to Remainder Theorem. The second one, the second factor, when it's divided by x minus 1, the root of the expression will be what? Will be 1. And that p of 1 equal to what? Equal to remainder. But the remainder in this case is 2 times. Is 2 times. Okay? When it's divided by what? By x plus 1. The same expression. So we're able to form these the second equation. And then make substitution for this first one. It generated d plus 10 equal to r. You can check the substitution. And then make substitution for p of 1 also. For p of 1, that will be what? 1 cube plus d times 1 square. That's d minus 5 times 1 plus 6 equal to 2r. Do that, we're going to have d plus 2 equal to 2r. So then you can make substitution. Substitute equation 1 to this equation 2. Okay, so if you do that, you have this, and then you get your d. So that's that on that case. Let's see another questions. Let's see another questions. Questions still continue. Questions still continue. Yeah, welcome. We are just coming in. Please subscribe to the channel. We have the question 6. Show that x minus 2 is a factors of f of x. okay, the factors of f of x, okay, and that polynomial is s cubed. F of x is equal to s cubed plus s squared minus 5x minus 2. And so otherwise, find the exact solution of the equation. Find the exact solution of the equations f of x equal to 0. Find the exact solution of the equations f of x equal to 0. Okay? Please, if you are fresh, like just copy, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, subscribe, call your friends, your classmates to join this section. Begin to subscribe to the channel. That is one of the ways to support this channel. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Give the videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Call your friends, your classmates to do likewise. Share the links of this video across your different platforms. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Share the links of this video across your different platforms. Share the links of this video across your different platforms. Share the links of this video across your different platforms. Share the links. Share the links across your different platforms. 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 We have this question. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. Okay. And then B, hence or otherwise, find the exact solution of the equation f of x is equal to 0. So what we are going to do, we have to show that x minus 2 is a factor. That will call for the use of a long division. Okay, they're not asking for the remainder. If they are asking for remainder, we could have substituted for x equal to 2 in the given polynomial expression. But in this case, we are told we are informed to show that x minus 2 is a factor. So when you are showing that a linear expression is a factor, you use your polynomial long division, which will be equal to what? X minus 2 in this place, the polynomial in this place. That's the s cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus 2. So the first one, s cubed, you divide by the first one, that'll be x squared. And then you begin to multiply this one times this one, that'll be x cubed. S squared times minus 2, that's minus 2x squared. Do your subtraction. S cubed minus s cubed, that's 0. X squared minus 2x squared, that's a plus 3x squared. Take the next one down, so which is what? Minus 5x. Okay, the this one also, the first one, over 3x squared over x, that's what? Plus what? 3x. So plus 3x times x, that's a plus 3x squared. Plus 3x times minus 2, that's minus 6x. Do your subtraction. This is 0. This will be minus 5 minus 6. That's a plus x. Take the next one, take it down. So that's minus 2. The first one here over the first one here, that's a plus 1. So 1 times x, that's a plus x. plus 1 times minus 2, that's minus 2. And you can do the subtraction. This will be 0, this will be 0. And that confirm if x minus 2 is a factor, the remainder must what? Must be 0. So therefore, x minus 2 is what? Is a factor. Is a factor because the remainder is 0. Okay, x minus 2 is a factor. Hence, otherwise, find the exact solution of the equation f of x equal to 0. Don't forget, this is your f of x. Okay? And this same polynomial has been broken down to what? To x minus 2 times the what? Times the quotient, which is what? Which is x squared plus 3x plus 1. And then we are told that f of x is equal to 0. We're told that f of x is what? Is equal to 0. Okay? So this implies x minus 2 is equal to 0, and x is equal to what? 2. Or x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Okay? So that's what we have in that case. What can we do? What we can do in this case is to check this. Can we factorize it? This quadratic, can we? This cannot be factorized, but we can use quadratic formula to solve it. Okay, that means a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and then c is equal to 1. You correspond these to the standard quadratic equation, ax squared plus bs plus c. Attachment to your s squared is the a. Attachment to your b, to your x, attachment to your x is b. So b is what? 3. The constant tense is c is 1. And then apply your formula. So that will be equal to what? Minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So that's what we have there. Then you can make a substitution to that equation. Okay? Make a substitution. Then we have, you make your substitutions. Okay? Make a substitution. So we have s equal to b is my b is 3. That's minus 3 plus or minus b squared, that's 9, minus 4 times a, that's 1, times c is also 1 over 2a, which is a 2. So we're having minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 over 2. So s is equal to minus 3 plus root 5 over 2, or minus 3 minus root 5 over 2. So we just need to use calculator and get the value. Take a calculator and get the value. Okay? So if you do that, we're going to have so we're going to have 0. In this place, 0. minus 0.38. Okay? Or so this will equal to minus 2.12. Let me check this one again. So this one is a minus 1.1. Okay, so the root, the solution of the equation are x equal to, where is the first one? X equal to 2, comma, okay, or minus 1.12, okay, or minus 2.12. So these are the solution of the solution. These are the solutions. These are the solution. As you're coming in, just begin to say "I." If you are yet to subscribe, please do so right now. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Begin to say "I" as you are coming in. Say "I" as you are coming in. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Give the videos a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. Invite your friends and subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Appreciate the effort. Appreciate the effort. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links. Say hi as you're coming in. Don't just be watching. Make a contribution. Make it interactive. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Begin to share the links across your different platform. Appreciate the effort. Appreciate the dedication, the commitment. Share the links across your different platform. Let's see another questions. Yeah, let's see another questions. Let's see another questions. Let's see another questions. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links. Say I. Subscribe to the channel. Give the videos a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. Share the links across your different platform. 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 Share the links. Share. Give the videos a thumbs up. Share the links across your different platform. Don't just be watching. Say something. Encourage the work. Appreciate the dedication, the commitment. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links. If you have your own question, you can forward the question, you can send the questions. If you have your own questions, send the questions. Send the questions. If you have your own questions, call the questions. Okay, send the questions. Follow your questions. Follow your questions. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Share the links across your different platforms. Share the links. Share the links across your different platforms. Okay, so that's what we have there. We have that we're told that given that minus 1 is a root of the equation 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 3. Find the two positive roots. Find the two positive roots. Okay, that's the solution to that. Ensure your hand is on the keyboard or your phone. Begin to say something. If you are watching, don't just be watching alone. Say something. Say I as you are coming in. Follow your question, okay, and begin to like, share, and subscribe. If you're yet to subscribe, please do so right now. Thank you for doing that. If minus 1 is a root of the equation, okay, it implies that x plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor. Okay? X plus 1 is a factor. If minus 1 is a root, okay, that means it's gotten from this expression, x plus 1. Okay? Then we use the long division to get the other roots. Polynomial long division. Okay? So that will be x plus 1. Take the first one here, 2x cubed, over the first one here. That will give us the 2x squared. And use it to multiply your divisor. 2x squared times x. That's a 2x cubed. 2x squared times a plus 1, that's a plus 2x squared. Do your subtraction, this minus this, that's 0. Minus 5 minus plus 2, okay, that's minus 7x squared. Take this one down, bring it down, that's minus 4x. Repeat the process, minus 7x squared over the first one over x, that's minus 7x. Then use it to multiply this linear, this divisor, minus 7x times x, that's minus 7x squared. Minus 7x times plus 1, that's plus 7x. Okay, then do your subtraction. Which will be equal to what? Here, minus 7x times plus 1, that's a minus 7x. Okay, do the subtraction. This minus this, cancel. Minus 4 minus 7, that's a plus 3x. Take the next item, bring it down. Okay, repeat the process. 3x over the first one, that's a plus 3. 3 times x, that's a plus 3x. 3 times the plus 1, that's a plus 3. Do the subtraction, you have what? You have x. So if x plus 1 is a factor, the remainder must be what? Must be 0. So that one is done. Then the polynomial now. The polynomial is now equal to this. Okay, x plus 1 times the quotient, 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. If you multiply these two expressions, it's going to give you back your equation, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 3. So what we are going to do in this case is to factorize this quadratic expression, factorize that, which will be this one times this one, that's a plus 6x squared. 2 factors of that can generate minus 7. That will be 6 and 1. How do we turn 6 and 1 to minus 7? Minus 6 minus 1. So the x squared, 1 here, 1 here. So this will become minus x. Then we can come back to that quadratic expression, replace this middle one by minus 6 minus x plus 3. Pair the first one, pair the second one. 2x is common. So we have this. Here and here, between minus x plus 3, minus 1 is common. We have x minus 3. This and this must be the same. Pick one of that times what? Times 2x minus 1. Okay? So f of x is now equal to x plus 1, okay, times x minus 3 times 2x minus 1. Okay? And then for you to get the root, f of x must be equal to 0. Okay? And that implies x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1, or 3, or 1 over 2. So we need the positive roots. So the positive roots are 3 and half, 3 and 1 over 2. That's the positive. Okay, this one here is minus 1. Okay, if you solve x plus 1 equal to 0, that's minus 1. So the positive roots are 3 and minus 1. For that question, the positive roots are 3 and minus 1. Okay, begin to share the links of this video across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. Share the links across your different platform. If you're yet to subscribe, please do so now. do so now. If you're yet to subscribe, please do so now. Begin to give the videos a thumbs up. Begin to give the videos a thumbs up. Share the links. Give the videos a thumbs up. Share and give the videos a thumbs up. Okay. So this is where we're going to drop the curtain of today's episode. Okay. Hopefully later in the day we'll continue with the mechanics M1. Okay. I want to appreciate you for staying by, for watching the channel, for always coming on board. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe, please do so. You can still do so. Okay, do so now. Okay. Or later. Subscribe to the channel and begin to share the links across your different platforms. Thank you once again. Bye for now.